Hey guys, hello there. For today's video, we will be showing you how to fix the SSL pending error under status on your Shopify. So if you have already created your account on Shopify and then made it named Namecheap under provider, and you still have SSL pending error on your status, what you want to do is go to Namecheap and then just kindly sign in and continue. Proceed like what you usually do. And then under your account, what you want to do is go to dashboard, as you can see here, under your account. Once you have clicked that, make sure to click domain list, as you can see on the screen. And then under domain list, go to manage button, click on that. And then under manage button, click advanced DNS. Just follow these steps, and then once you're under the advanced DNS, make sure to scroll down until you see host record section, as you can see here on my cursor. And then under host records, you have three options or three items. Make sure to leave only A records and CNAME records. Okay, so the URL redirect record, make sure to delete that. And then once you have done that and you have left only the two items, make sure to, what you want to do is click right click on your mouse and then click reload. Right, so right click on your mouse and then click reload, and that will be reloading, as you can see on the screen. And then you have to wait for about around 1 to 2 minutes. And then after it has loaded, go to settings on your Shopify, you can see here, and then click domains. Once you have scrolled down and click domains, it will show this. Congratulations, you have changed your domain and you have fixed your SSL error on your Shopify. Thanks for watching.